of yoga. Adho Mukha Savasana. Adho Mukha Savasana helps in building power, flexibility and alertness. Adho Mukha Savasana pose also stretches the spine and hamstrings and relaxes the heart. This yoga pose is not tough to start. Keep your legs at a distance from each other and your arms shoulder width separately. Remember that your middle fingers should be parallel and pointing forward. Sway your elbows so that the inner elbow is facing forward. Breathe in and twist your toes under as if starting to stand on your toes. Thereafter, breathe out and straighten your legs and push upward with your arms. The aim of this part of the yoga pose is to stretch the spine while keeping your legs straight and your feet flat on the ground. The most important thing is to work on lengthening the spine. Don't let your shoulders crawl up by your ears. Try to keep them down. There should be equal distribution of weight between hands and feet. Remain in the same pose for a few breaths. Repeat it several times along with inhaling and exhaling of breath. Ardha Sarvangasana. Ardha Samvargasana is an important yoga pose and it helps in proper thyroid function and strengthening of abdomen. Ardha Sarvangasana also stretches upper back, improves blood circulation and encourages relaxation. Doing Ardha Sarvangasana is pretty simple and easy. Lie on your back and lift your legs up. Thereafter, put your hands on your lower back for support. Resting your elbows and lower arms on the ground. It is important to note that your weight is on your shoulders and mid to upper back and not on your neck. Start breathing deeply and remain in the same posture for at least up to 5 to 10 breaths. To come to normal position, keep your legs straight and lower them down, slowly and gradually. This part helps in the exercise of your abdominal muscles as well. Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana is one of the most important yoga poses. Bhujangasana is also called by the name of Cobra pose. Bhujangasana helps in stretching the spine, strengthening the back and arms. It also opens the chest and heart. Start the asana or the Cobra pose by lying down on your stomach. Put your legs together and arms at your side and close to the body with your hands by your chest. Begin inhaling and raise your chest and head slowly to the maximum limit it can reach. While performing the exercise, remember to keep your hip muscles tight so that your lower back is not injured. Keep your head up and chest and heart out. Breathe quite a number of times and then relax slowly. After performing the above mentioned steps, do the following. Raise yourself on your arms after going as high as possible. At the same time, Stretch your spine a bit more. But remember, go as far as you are comfortable. While performing the poses, keep your pelvis always on the ground. Then breathe several times and come down slowly. Janu Shirshasana. Of all the yoga poses or asanas, Janu Shirshasana is one of the most important. Janu Shirsasana helps in stretching and opens back and hamstrings and improves flexibility of the body. First of all, sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Bending one leg, bring the heel of the foot as close to the groin as